If your new staircase leaves a huge gap before the flooring starts, you're probably wondering how to fix that without redoing the whole floor or messing up your brick border. Okay, so here's the deal. First, check if the stairs were installed exactly as agreed. Sometimes the run ends up shorter than expected. If you have leftover floor bricks, filling the gap with those sounds easy but might ruin your border's look, so think twice. A cleaner fix is to cut the rounded front section of the plank nearest the stairs square and then patch in new flooring planks to fill the space. This won't match your original border width perfectly, but honestly, it usually looks fine and keeps everything neat. If you're not super handy, getting a floor guide to move the border or fill the gap is worth considering. It might cost some money but saves headaches later. Also, talk to the stair contractor about covering the cost of fixing the flooring since they installed stairs shorter than expected. It's fair they chip in. Don't expect them to mess with your flooring themselves because that's usually outside their job scope. If you want to avoid redoing the floor yourself, a simple conversation and compromise with both contractors can save time and money. One of the biggest mistakes people make with staircase installs and flooring gaps is assuming it's just a minor cosmetic issue when it affects safety and aesthetics too. Fix that by confirming exact measurements before installation and holding contractors accountable for agreed specs. Another common problem is trying to fill gaps with mismatched flooring, which can look sloppy. Better to get matching materials or have a pro handle it. Lastly, not communicating clearly with contractors about who pays for fixes causes delays and frustration. Always get agreements in writing about responsibilities and costs to avoid surprises. BigHomeProjects.com is a great resource for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. It also helps contractors connect with real clients who need their skills, making home projects way less stressful all around.